Hey guys, happy New Year's. I hope everyone that is watching is enjoying the New Year so far. Today I will be installing this beautiful burgundy hair from Ashimary hair. Since I am doing a voiceover, I thought to give you guys a life update on why I haven't posted in so long. Life has been lifing, but before I get into it, I want to talk about this hair. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig with 150% density, 20 inches long. The wig came pre-plucked and it didn't have any smell to it. This is actually my third time buying hair from them. Their prices is very affordable. I feel like their hair quality is good. I've been wearing the hair for 2 weeks and it feels exactly the same way as it came out the packaging. I will say the hair shed, but just a little. I feel like hair is going to shed whether it's on an actual scalp or sewn on a wig cap. It's just hair. But I honestly love this hair. Now let's talk about where have I been, what happened. Like, I literally disappeared on you guys and I am so sorry, but my mental health and school was kicking my behind. On my last life updated video, I think I was talking about posting more videos in the summertime, stepping out of my comfort zone by going out more, meeting new people, trying new things, but that obviously did not happen. I don't know. I just felt so unmotivated. I literally stayed in the house most of the time. The only time I went out the house was when I went to school, and then I go back inside the house. Speaking of school, let me tell you guys what happened to me. Oh, and if you're new here, I am currently in college, and I've been going to college for almost 2 years, trying to become an LPN nurse. Anyway, school has been going great for me, kinda. I managed to make the dean's list in the spring and fall semester. I was so proud of myself. Took all the classes that I need to take in order to get into the nursing program. It was really, really hard, especially the fall semester last year. I thought it was a good idea to have scheduled my classes back to back. I was so drained. I know I would never do that again. I literally didn't think I was going to make it, but I did. Since I finished taking all my classes, I'm currently preparing myself again for the HESI test so that I can get into a nursing program. And yes, y'all, yes, I said again because I didn't pass the HESI test last year. Y'all, I was clearly unprepared for it. Instead of going to the school website to find out what was going to be on the test, like a person with common sense, I asked my mom because she took it and passed it. But mind you, she took it when I was in middle school. So I studied 4 subjects from this outdated HESI book when I should have been studying 9. I didn't even finish taking the test. I just walked out the testing room. I was so mad at myself. I really, really, really do hate when stuff does not go as planned. Afterwards, I was really, really hard on myself. I felt like a failure. I knew that I was the one to blame for what happened, but I was going a little too hard on myself, just beating myself up. I know I made a mistake, but I was going super hard on myself. I always knew I had a negative mindset, but last year really confirmed it. It really held me back from doing a lot of things that I wanted to do last year in 2023. I honestly think I have an addiction of being so negative towards myself. I don't know. It's it's comforting. I don't know how to explain it. In a weird way, I'm so used of feeling stuck and stagnant and have a limited belief about myself because that is all I know. I've been having self-doubt ever since I was a little kid. I've been struggling to release this feeling for so long, and also fear of the unknown. I'm so scared of what will happen next. I'm constantly worrying about the future, or if I'm on the right path. Am I doing the right thing? I'm go on, I feel like it has gotten a lot of worse. Last year, I feel like this has been the worst. All last year, I wanted to post, but every time it was time to take action, I tell myself I can't do it, or I just do it or I say I do it some other day. I've been like procrastinating on doing like simple things, getting up out of bed, making sure I eat, just simple things. And I can't even do the stuff I enjoy doing, like posting YouTube videos. I am constantly comparing myself to other people, be thinking something is wrong with me, or I just don't think I have what it takes to achieve something. Or I be telling myself like, oh, this video is not going to make it anyway. It's not going to get that many views or likes or anything like that. But it's just like, who cares? Like, if you think it's good enough to be posted, post it. Like, I don't know. I just be in my head so much. Like, I just don't trust myself. I'm always going and looking for validation from other people when I have the answers within me. It's so sad. I just can't be myself. I always criticize myself on how I look, what I wear, or say. I sometimes don't like looking at myself in the mirror. I am so hard on myself. When I achieve something, I move on to the next, or I will tell myself that I could have done better, instead of congratulating myself for accomplishing something. I should be uplifting myself instead of tearing myself down when I make a mistake. I don't even like going outside because I be afraid to be seen by people because I think they're judging me because I judge myself like 24/7. My anxiety and depression is affecting my everyday life. It be days where I don't get any sleep, or I just don't want to get out of bed. I want to end my life because I'm tired of crying about the same thing. Like, I'm tired of being in this tough cycle. Like, it's just draining. I have a bad habit or a mental illness that I need to fix. I really need help. Like, I want to go back to counseling to get professional help. I know it's going to be a process and it's going to take time. That's why this year I want to create new healthy habits for my mental health. So if you guys have any tips on how you cope with anxiety and depression, I would love to hear them in the comments section. I just want to be my true self and not feel trapped in the head, not being afraid of being seen and speaking my truth and not caring what people think, I just want change in my life. I'm turning 24 in the spring and I'm just tired of feeling bad about myself. Tired of worrying about the future and just go with the flow, not trying to control everything. I realize that's also what's causing me mental stress, is me trying to control everything. I need to not take everything so serious and just have fun and enjoy life. I haven't been truly happy in a long time. I want to find happiness. Like, I want to find things that make me happy and just fall in love with life again, So yeah, that's what's been going on with me. I am going to be posting more videos this year, being more transparent, being more open, so you guys can get to really know me, the real me. Because I know it'd be like some videos I'd be like really shy and not really being my true self, but I just really want to be real with you guys and just be, comfortable in speaking to you guys. I want to really thank y'all for still being subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone that's watching my videos and watching this video. Please like and comment. If you're new here, please consider to subscribe to my channel. The hair that I'm wearing in the video will be in the description box below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.